Hopkins, we're here with KC's coach. Coach, how do you feel about today's victory?
Overwhelming. Tough season, very challenging. I think in my nearly 30 years of coaching, this has been the most challenging one.
Yeah.
I don't think I've worked so hard in a program thanks to the technical staff. But it's not just about Vassell Reynolds, good technical staff, good management staff that lends us excellent support, the principal, the general, Kingston College staff, and we're just overwhelmed.
Yeah. Okay. Speak to us about the aspirations that you guys had for the season. Were you aspiring to be Triple Crown winners, to win championship, Manning Cup, and the Olivier Shield?
We unexpectedly reached the semi-finals last year with our young team. For this season, we would have lost 4 or 5 of our key players. But we figured that we really want to aim to at least achieve the same feat like last year. So every phase that they come from, they push to see to what extent we can go. And then when you see the light, we say, hey, let's hit for the semi-finals. And then after that, it was our systems go in terms of game and goal, in terms of winning the manager.
Okay, let me ask you, what was the mentality going into the game, knowing that you're playing on an opponent that it's the first day in the finals, so there's the mental aspect of the football, and it's KC's a seasoned component. How did the boys go into the game mentally?
We guard against complacency. They have never won it before, but we didn't figure that would be an issue. We just focus on our abilities, and I told the boys once to concentrate and execute the plan well. I think we are a better team than the St. Catherine team in terms of the planning and the preparation. Very mature team though, so we are guarded about that. But we had a plan, and I thought the boy executed it well, and hence the victor tonight.
Okay, another question is there. Key players, Messi, the number 9. How do you get those players stay sharp for, say, next season? Are they able to play next season?
Daly should be there in terms of age. Messi is out. We should have, in the entire squad, lose average about 6 players in the entire 25-man squad. But we have been building, not just focusing on this year. I've always coached this year and looking at the next year at the same time. And we are in good stead going forward in terms of the entire program of things like that.
Okay, do you encourage